Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. You are about to watch my wig being boiled. Will this really work? Will this not work? I hope it does work so I don't end up in tears. But we about to try this today together. I was watching this video on Sophiology and she was boiling her wig and her wig looked flawless. The link will be in the description box. So I decided to grab my mother's Dutch pot, filled it with cold water, and we're about to do this. Will I be in tears again? Maybe. Or I'll just get new bundles like I usually do. Anyways, we're gonna be using silicone mix bamboo. I got it at my local beauty supply store for $5.99. It says to be you can decondition your hair for 3 to 5 minutes. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna decondition whenever I feel like taking it out. Right now the water is being set to boil, so I'm gonna grab a metal spoon and take some product out of the silicone mix and put it in the water. Please use a spoon. Do not, and I mean do not, decide to just not use a spoon, because you will make the water splash up on you and you will get burns, and that's not cute. So you're going to be stirring, get a little milky consistency, and yeah, you're just going to stir until you barely see any of the silicone mix in the water. Okay, stir like it's cooked soup, like you have your dumpling, your dasheen, your Irish, your chicken, your pumpkin. Yeah. That's how it goes. So we are just stirring until we get a nice consistency, and we're about to put our wig in, you guys. All right, the water is ready. The water is hot. We're about to drop in the wig in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is so painful to watch, but you know what? Honestly, I promise you guys, the end result is going to be flawless. Yeah, so I had to grab some cooking tongs because honestly it got kind of hot to hold, and you'll notice that I'm dipping the hair in and out of the water. Also, what you're going to be noticing is I'm going to be end up using a spoon, because with the tongs that I'm noticing, it's starting to put so much tension on the lace, and I don't want my lace to rip, and I don't want to end up in tears and end up cuss bad language. So I had to revert to a spoon, which worked out perfectly. And yeah, right now, just gonna complete the process. Right now, I'm taking out the wig out of the water, and I'm going to be putting it into a basin, because I want to rinse my hair, because the wig is full of silicone mix, and I just don't want to like rinse it in cold water alone and have the silicone mix still there. So I will be using cold water. As you can see, I'm dipping it out of the water in and out. And then I'm going to be going in with the As I Am Long and Luxe Pomegranate and Passion Fruit Co-Wash. This is a cleansing wash that I know will do the trick and get the silicone mix out. As well, I detangled the hair, that way it doesn't go matted. So far, so good. It's looking very nice. It's looking very soft, and I'm just going to rinse it and yeah, complete the process. Okay guys, so after rinsing out my wig, I left my wig out for 24 to 32 hours, just hang dry, and it's looking beautiful. Okay, it's soft, it's luscious. What I'm gonna have to do is kind of like fix up the part and everything, but honestly, so far so good. I'm actually extremely happy, and I can't wait to put it on and show you guys. Yes, so don't mind me with my mannequin head. My mannequin head is named Sherry. She has been through it all, and I created her. I'm eventually going to get a Canva head to do my styling of wigs, but as for right now, I'm going to work with what I got. Right now, I'm going in with the ORS olive oil foaming mousse, which will help me set my part and prevent all the flyaways. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know how this little test worked out for you. Leave your comments below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.